Feel yourself behind the forehead, between two ears, and below the top of your head. And with this beautiful music, you will be able to connect to that very divine self. Let's connect to yourself, and this music will connect you to that part in your mind. Feel the impact of this music. Wherever you are feeling the sound of this bell, just connect to the sound of the bell, and you are becoming thoughtless. You are becoming thoughtless. You are becoming thoughtless. You are becoming totally thoughtless. You are becoming thoughtless. No thoughts at all. No thoughts at all. Totally thoughtless. 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 Simply, very simple suggestion to yourself. I am thoughtless. I am thoughtless. Just connect to this bell sound. Connect to this bell sound and become thoughtless. Become thoughtless. Try to find out exactly where this bell is pointing to. Try to find out where this bell is pointing to. Feel the emptiness. Feel the emptiness. Feel the deeply relaxed mind now. If any thoughts are there, simply observe them. Now keep on feeling only this sound of bell. Nothing else, only the bell. Feel yourself as you are feeling the sound of this bell. Your mind is becoming empty, totally empty. You are becoming totally empty. And this beautiful feeling of being with your own self prevails. Only this sound. All the negativity, all the all the thoughts have gone. Feel your divine self. Feel yourself now. Feel the emptiness inside. Feel the emptiness inside. You are totally aware of what is happening inside you. You are totally aware of what is happening inside your mind, which is totally empty now. Totally empty. Nothing is there. Stay in this beautiful time as long as you can. No thoughts at all. No thoughts at all.